How to get bot lobbies in Fortnite. Hey everyone, today I show you how to get bot lobbies in Fortnite. Bot lobbies can be a great way to practice your skills, complete challenges, or just have some fun without intense competition. Let's dive right in. First, log into Fortnite on a secondary account that's either new or has very few matches played. Fortnite's matchmaking will consider this account as a beginner and place it in easier bot-heavy lobbies. So once you're in the game lobby, you can invite your main account to join as a duo or squad. This lets you play alongside your main character in a bot lobby. Another option is to switch to the mobile version, as it tends to pair players with bots more frequently. So if you're playing solo, consider turning off cross-platform play, as this setting can sometimes increase the likelihood of bot lobbies, especially on mobile. Finally, remember these methods may vary based on updates from Fortnite, so results aren't always guaranteed but should work for most cases. And that's it. Now you're ready to enjoy practicing in Fortnite with bot lobbies. If this was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. Good luck and enjoy your matches.